What's happening, guys? Sure, feels like it's been a while since I've been in front of the camera. So yeah, I'm back. A little bit of a break from fishing, focusing on the business and some family stuff. But I've managed to get out on my birthday. So today's my birthday. Thank you for the wishes. 40 years old. Feels like I'm yeah, getting old. Anyhow, I'm here today with Zaid. We are at Boskop Dam. No one here except for us on a Friday. And yeah, hoping for some good fishing. So let's see how it goes. Maybe a little comeback video can be a decent one with some really good catches. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Zaid, so how's it to the family out
Happy
there?
birthday, Bassinator!
I was telling them how it's been a while, but we're back. Let's see how it goes. It's the start of winter though, so it's not going to be easy. But being out on the water, it's been it's just over a month since I've actually been out on the water on the boat, so I am lit. So let's get fishing.
Little punch rig, eh? Top of the mouth, perfect hook set.
Oh, flip. Should have just left it for a while. Yeah, I just like, I felt there, he's back. Get him, listen, I could get him. He's on. Is he in the grass? Is he decent?
Be decent, come on.
That's a nice head shake. Dude,
What the neck?
I don't know. It's here in open water and it still feels. No, it's not huge, but it's still good. It's not huge, but yes, it's just boxing. Lekker.
That's a nice size there, dude. Well done, boy. That's a lovely size there. Nice.
Boxing nicely.
Yeah, that's a nice fish, dude.
Woo!
Yeah, well done, boy. Nice one. Really lekker.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey, don't bite.
Nice, small man. Yes, the way it took, dude. I thought, flipping out.
Here we go. We got the fish. You need to talk more about leaving.
Oh, yeah.
There we go, there's an 800. Like the other one almost, probably. Eh?
Yeah.
No, but bigger maybe.
Nah, that other one was bigger. Took that big bait, yeah. Let's see what it weighs. Anyway, I need fish for my kid.
Yeah, I'll take it. Oh, there he came off.
What? Oh, man. I thought he was smooth. He didn't set that hook.
No, set, yeah, but it's just obviously, but he had quite a bit of grass with it. So. Catch her. I should have been quicker, even though it wasn't. Yes, man. Small guy. Anybody out there? Are we back online? Change it up a bit and see if his G40s work.
Still there.
The smallest is there.
Are you casting in the channel in the open, or you casting?
Yeah. Close. I'm trying to predict where the wall is. I'm trying to like land with this thing like floating down the side of the wall, you know. I could be in a little bit or not, but yeah, in and around there.
We didn't lose that much.
Oh, we did
We
actually.
did.
We were a bit there, yeah. We're fishing in the channel. Oh, there we go. Oh! They like to come back. I mean, I struck it. That bait disappeared like 3 meters down the water. He's still like, hey, come here. I want you. You having any bites on those trees? There we go. Good fish.
I don't know yet. Yeah, good fish, no?
Net fish.
Nah, I don't think so, but yeah, she's maybe just net. Like this.
Well, that could be your killer.
No, I
Oh,
don't
how's
think
the
so.
tummy?
No.
If she was a bit of a fatty.
Yo, check how she swallowed that thing.
Yeah.
Yes.